If you want your business or your company to appear on Google Map, I want to show you how to do it. For example, if I come to Google Map, for example, and I type, let's say, restaurants in Abuja, I will see a lot of other people's businesses. Is that okay? And then I can now from here enter to their website, call them, or book an order, etc. Is that okay? Now, if you want your own business also to appear such that if somebody comes here and type anything related to your business will come up. In this video, I want to show you how to do it. Kindly help me subscribe to the channel and like it. Now, on your Chrome browser, of course, you're on the Chrome browser, you can open another tab and then you type Google Business Profile. Is that okay? Type Google Business Profile. Whether you're doing it from your phone or from your laptop, this will work for you. Now, let's tap on the first link, Google Business WhatsApp, and it will open this interface for you where it says stand out on Google with a free business profile, etc. Please, on this Google Business Profile up, tap this small bubble icon. You see overview, you see retail, you see services, you see restaurant. Now choose the kind of choose where your business falls into. For this one, I want to show you it falls on services. So I click on services, all right, and then it shows you connect with customers looking for your services. Start now. So okay, I'll now click on start now. Either you click on start now or you click your business profile now. Now, we want to put our business name. What is our business name? Our business name is Express Tech. All right, Express Tech Academy. All right, so I'll just click it and pick this one. Then what is the business category? Our business category is in tech. Is that okay? Let's go and choose under education. Let's just scroll down. I can see training center. We are a training center actually. All right, so we can now click on next. Please take time to choose the one that suits your own. I'm only choosing this one because I'm doing it for Express Tech. So I click on next. All right, so it now take you to the next place where you say, do you want to add location customers can visit like a store or office? Yes, because we have our training center in Abuja. So I'll say yes and I'll click on next. Now, if you don't have any training center, or sorry, if you don't have any physical store, please don't choose yes. Is that okay? Because you have to fill your address and all of that. For me, I want to fill because we are located at Moria Plaza, right? Beside Total Filling Station, all right? Filling Station. All right. So what is the local government? Okay, let me just put Lugbe because we're in Lugbe actually. And then what's the local government? The local government is Amak. Is that okay? Amak. All right. So I'll put Amak. And then what is the city? The city is Abuja, Nigeria. Then what is the state? The state is of Federal Capital Territory. Choose anyone that resonates with your own and click on next. Now, once you click on next, it will take us to this one. It say, is this your business? This one is Moria Plaza, Total Energy, Lugbe Station, Federal House, and First Avenue. I think this is within this total this thing, but I think our own, it looks like your business might already have a business profile on Google search or map. If you see your business show, none of this is our business, please. So I'll just click on none of the above. Please read it clearly. None of this is our business. All these people are people who have already put their businesses online. So none of it is our own. I'll click on next and then say, where are you located? So it's going to bring out a Google map to show us to actually pick the location where we are located. Is that okay? So you can see that this is Google Map and it's showing that we are in Lugbe already and it's telling us to picture where we want our business to be located. So I'll now click on adjust, this adjust here. Once I click on adjust, I can now zoom in. Is that okay? I can try to zoom into where we have our own location. I don't know. Let me see zoom in. All right, I'm still trying to look for the place where my academy is located, but if you can't find it and you know that you have actually gone past here, you can click on reset and it will return you back to where you were before. And then you can click on this arrow here to see how it can take you to locations or popular locations that are around that particular place. I'm trying to look for a particular popular this thing that is within my area. If I can't find it, let me click on reset again and it will come here. Let me see. Dunamis is actually very close to our place. It's actually as we are going to Dunamis. So I might actually put it close to Lugbe Market. Lugbe Market is also very close. All right. And then Dunami is also very close. And you can see car wash is also very close to that my site. So I'm trying to look for the one that is actually a bit very popular. So I can actually keep it close to this Lube market here. Is that okay? Close to this Lube market or close to Dunamis. But let me see if I can keep it close to Lube market. And I click on done. Is that okay? And then what you need to do is just click on next. Is that okay? Even if you don't want to keep it in a popular place that is close to that area, what you can do is just leave it at that first place where it shows Lube and click on next instead of zooming and do all these things. Is that okay? He said, do you provide deliveries or home and office visit? For example, if you visit or deliver to your customers, you can let them know where you are willing to go. We don't actually do home deliveries particularly, so we click on no. But if I do, I can click on yes. Sometimes I do. I used to I used to do how they call private classes, so I might actually say yes. So some of our tutors can do that, and I click on no. With next. If I don't do, I'll click on no. Is that okay? Now the next one is add the areas you serve. Add areas where your business provide deliveries or home and no let's say within Abuja only. All right. Click on let's say within Abuja only, and that's all. No. All right. So and click on next. If you don't provide home deliveries, please you can leave it blank. Now this is where it gets interested. You say what contact details do you want to show to your customers? When I showed you how to check restaurants on Google Map, there was a place where you can see call. So you can either call the person on WhatsApp or anywhere. So you have to set your own number. And I think our number that we actually use is 0 and then 840. This is Express Tech official number. And then what is the website? We also have a website. I'll put it www.expresstech. All right. Sorry. All right. So if you don't have it, it's not necessary, right? It's not option. It's optional. It's not compulsory that you must put a website. Is that okay? So I think our official website is expresstech.com. All right. All right, so it's very optional. I've put my own, and then you can see you can now put your own phone number here as well. But I think this is the same phone number that I'll be using, so I'll copy it. All right, and come down here. Now here it say add to chat. That means where can somebody send you a message? Whether it send you a message as text message or as WhatsApp. I actually prefer WhatsApp, so I'll click on this harbor icon here and choose WhatsApp. And then here I'll have to put a WhatsApp click to chat link. What I will do is I'll come back here. I'll come to ChatGPT and I'll say convert this number to WhatsApp link. Is that okay? Or WhatsApp URL. Then I'll put my number and click on here. It's going to convert the number to a WhatsApp. I can see this is exactly it. So I'll just copy it and then go back here and then paste it here. Is that okay? Please do not skip this step because this step is very, very important. So let me delete all of these things here. I think I didn't copy correctly. Let me delete it. This is how it's supposed to be. Exactly like this. And click on next. Please check to confirm if everything is correct. My website is correct. And then click on next. And let's see. In that our website, you can take any course there. So you can actually click it if you want. So it's a get update about your business. Would you like alert notification or tips about ways to manage your business? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. So but for me, I want to say yes. Please, there's something I want you to know. While you are registering this your business, ensure that you read everything that this Google is telling you. Is that okay? All this information. Click on next. Is that okay? If you don't read it, you might actually assume the one that is highlighted, the one that is bold, and maybe feel a different thing. Ensure that you read everything. So we click on next and it now brings us here. It says select a way to get verified. Is that okay? So they can verify using our phone number. You want to send us a code and then they can submit a business video. All right, or you can submit a business video means you can screen maybe record your arena, that your office and everything. Is that okay? I have a video of my office, but let me verify using my phone number because this will be actually simple. So let me do that. So I'm going to click next and then it says get verification code sent to your phone. Google will send a verification code to this number. The standard rates apply. All right. So of course we have this, and if I want it as call, I will want it as call, but let me put it as test so that I can be able to put the code live here for you to see. Now let's click on next, and we are going. I say enter your digit verification code. Let me wait for it to on in one of my phones, and we're going to put it. Let's just wait for it to land. All right, the code is here, and then let me put the code so that that number can be verified. So I can put the code here. It's just a one-time verification number. Is that okay? 605. So let me count it again. 609605. All right. Okay. So we can now click on next. Please remember the number only take to 30 seconds to verify. You are now verified. So your business can now go live online, but there's still one step to do. Is that okay? Let's click on next. Let's click on next and see. And you can now see add business hours. Is that okay? We are a training center, so we are not open on Sundays like that. So we only open on Monday, this one, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Even on Saturdays, we are not open, except for private classes that I usually hold online. For our physical office, it's only Monday to Friday. So with that, I click on next. You select your own days. Is that okay? It said, please provide a valid time. Okay, I did not provide a valid time. What is the valid time? The valid time is we can put 24 hours, no problem. Let me just put 24 hours so that they can call me 24 over time, and then I can be able to respond to them. But our lectures actually happens only on from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock. But let me put 24 hours. So I click on next. It say, okay, there's no valid time for this one. I'll click on next. Click on next again, and then say add business description. Let customer learn more. All right, this is very, very important. I say learn any digital skill from us and get certified. All right, all right. We also train you on how to land high paying jobs. Is that okay? So I can decide to say skills like, all right, skills like, just ensure that everything is okay. Skills like cybersecurity, all right. We teach all kinds of skills, but I just want to mention some of them so that the people who are seeing it online will be able to see it. Cybersecurity, all right. Sorry, cybersecurity. We offer data analysis. All right. We offer virtual assistants. We offer social media management. All right. Social media management. We offer how do they call? We offer web development, web design. Of course, there's a difference between web development and web design. We also offer UI US. Right. All right. These are professional courses that people come to take. All right. UI UX design. All right. We also offer arts mastery, how to run advertisement in all platforms. We have YouTube monetization, all right, monetization, and then digital marketing, and we also offer copywriting. We offer content writing. All right, just write all the things that you want, and then I put etc. So you can put as many. Okay, let me put coding because so we do coding a lot, and then we also put etc. So you can just put as many coding, as many things that relate to your business, what you sell, and then click on next. Please don't skip. Always try to ensure that you put something about your business. Now let it go, and let's see the final step. Say add a storefront photo. So if you have a picture that shows where your place is that okay? You can actually snap the environment, take a picture of your store. Is that okay? If you don't have a picture of your store, like I said, location is not that compulsory. You can actually select pickies. Just pick a good picture. All right. You can put, I think you can add many if you want, but me, I want to add one for the purpose of this class, for the purpose of this video. Let it load completely. You can add as many pictures as possible. Once this one load, you can actually add more, right? All right, so one has been added. I can decide to add one as possible. Is that okay? So for now, I think I want to leave it at 2 because of the purpose of this video. And one thing you want to understand is that most of these things, you can edit them in the future. Is that okay? So it's not just a one-time stuff. You can edit them in the future. And then I click on next. Is that okay? Once I click on next, let's see our pictures. and you can see how the picture looks. You say add photos of your business. Is that okay? Show off your product or business. So let me just choose this one. I can choose this one. I can choose this one. Done. All right. So all the pictures of my business will have to be here. So depending on what you are doing, you just have to have a nice, or you just have to have nice pictures of what you are doing. If you are selling food, have nice pictures of different delicacies. If you are selling your maybe electronics, have different kinds of beautiful pictures about it, and then try to see how it can upload. Even if you don't have most of these physical products, the ones we do as graphic designs, bring them here. Let's click on next. And then you can say claim your 300 advertising credits. Now this is one good thing about this thing. If you actually create your own Google profile, Google actually gives you up to $300 to run advertisement for free for the first time. Is that okay? You can click on claim your credit, or you can click on skip. For now, let me just try to. If I click on claim my credit, it will actually take me away from here. So let me just complete the registration. Then I can still enter Google business profile and see the money. If I want to run advert, if I go to Google ads and try to run the advert, I will still see this money to claim. So, but if I click here, it will take me away from here. So let me just click on skip for now. All right. So that will just complete the registration. All right. So get a custom email address and premium features to elevate your business. This one you have to pay for it. Something like, at info at this. All right. You pay for it, but we don't want to click on skip. All right. Let's click on skip. You say your edit will be visible once you are verified. So it means that Google will have to take some time. Is that okay? We will have to take some time to verify our business and see everything before they can be able to upload it live to Google Maps. So let's click on continue. So it usually takes like 48 hours to 72 hours. That's 2 days to 3 days. You can see your business is not visible to customer yet. So they're going to verify it. And once it's been verified, if you check on Google Maps, you now see that we have express text with our URL and everything. So this is how to actually make your business live. It just takes, if I want to even give this in time, within 48 hours, this thing will come up and I'll show you that it's now live. Once all your pictures are live and the location is always live, the phone number has been verified, there's nothing there to verify. It's just taking them some days to do it, and they will actually verify it. It's actually a bot that will even verify it. Is that okay? So thank you so much for sticking from beginning to the end. I'll see you in my next video.